Ever pondered on the power of your belief and how it can craft your life's relief? It's a concept that's been explored in depth by a man named Neville Goddard, in a lecture that's left many awed and floored. The law of belief, he calls this piece, a treasure trove of wisdom, where insights never cease. In the depths of our minds, a power resides, a force so potent it can turn the tides. It's not just about the thoughts that we think, it's about the beliefs that make our hearts sink or make them sing. For our beliefs, you see, shape our reality. They're the master sculptors of our destiny. Neville Goddard delves deep into this notion, with a passion akin to the ocean's ceaseless devotion. He talks about the mind, about belief, about the power within us that can bring relief. It's not about wishful thinking, not about idle dreaming, but about a belief so strong it sets the universe teeming. Positive thinking, he says, is but a start. The real magic happens when you take it to heart. When you truly believe with every fiber of your being, that's when you start truly seeing. Seeing the possibilities, the potential, the power, that's when you ascend the tallest tower. And then there's the art of visualization, a practice that can transcend any limitation. It's about seeing in your mind's eye the life you desire, reaching for the sky. It's not about just dreaming, but about believing, about knowing that this vision is worth achieving. So let's delve into this profound wisdom. Let's explore the depths of this kingdom, the kingdom of the mind, the realm of belief. Let's set sail on this journey with Neville Goddard as our chief. The mind's a tool, a potent jewel. It's time to make it your favorite stool. Harness its power, make it your tower, and watch as your life begins to flower. So let's delve deeper. Let's not be a sleeper, for the power of belief is indeed a keeper. Ever wondered about manifestation, this cosmic law of creation? Let's unravel the mysteries of this profound notion, as presented in Neville Goddard's enlightening lecture, The Law of Belief. Manifestation, at its core, is the materialization of our deepest thoughts and beliefs into reality. It's the miraculous process that turns the intangible into tangible, the unseen into seen. Our thoughts are seeds and our reality is the garden. When we plant these seeds with conviction, the universe responds in kind, mirroring our beliefs in the world around us. As Goddard beautifully puts it, our world is a mirror, reflecting back to us the contents of our mind. But it's not just about thinking or believing. It's about feeling, living, and embodying these thoughts and beliefs. It's about stepping into the reality you wish to create, even before it has manifested. This is where the art of visualization comes into play. When we visualize, we're not just dreaming or imagining, we're creating, we're manifesting. We're painting vivid pictures in our mind and feeling the emotions associated with them. This sends powerful signals to the universe, amplifying our manifestation process. Yet it's important to remember that manifestation is not a magic wand. It's a journey, a process. It requires patience, perseverance, and a deep, unwavering belief in ourselves and our dreams. It requires us to let go of doubt, fear, and limitations, to embrace abundance, positivity, and possibility. Manifestation is a testament to the boundless power of the human mind. It's a reminder that we are not just passive spectators in this grand cosmic play, but active creators. We are not at the mercy of external circumstances, but at the helm of our own destinies. We are the sculptors of our reality, the authors of our story. So dream big, believe fiercely, visualize vividly, and watch as your thoughts and beliefs take shape in the world around you. Remember, in the words of Goddard, assumptions, though false if persisted in, will harden into fact. In the universe's grand station, you're the artist of your creation. What's the role of visualization in this grand scheme of manifestation, you might ask? Well, let's delve into the profound insights of Neville Goddard to find out. According to Goddard, the art of visualization is the paintbrush of our imagination, and our minds are the canvas on which we paint our reality. It's not about mere daydreaming or wishful thinking, but a purposeful and vivid imagining of our dreams and desires. Goddard invites us to think of visualization as a sacred act of creation. Just as a sculptor chisels away at a block of marble to reveal a masterpiece within, we too, through our imaginative faculties, can chip away at the block of our current circumstances to reveal the masterpiece of our desired reality. The power of visualization lies in its ability to make the unseen seen, the intangible tangible. It's about feeling the joy of your dreams being fulfilled, sensing the thrill of your desires being achieved. It's about living in the end, as Goddard would say, where your imagination transports you beyond the confines of your present reality into the realm of your manifested dreams. So, don't underestimate the art of visualization. It's an integral part of the manifestation process, a crucial step in turning your dreams into reality. Harness the power of your imagination, allow it to shape your reality and transform your dreams into your living truth. Picture your dreams with all your might and watch as they take flight. Ready to unlock the potential within and let your journey of self-discovery begin? Let's delve into the essence of Goddard's wisdom, a treasure trove of insights, a beacon to guide us on this enlightening voyage. In his illuminating lecture, Goddard reveals that our beliefs are the architects of our reality. Our thoughts, our convictions, they are the sculptors shaping the clay of our existence. The law of belief is not just a theory, it's a universal principle, a cosmic axiom that resonates within the fabric of our being. Goddard further explains that manifestation is not mere wishful thinking, it's a potent force that can transform our reality. It's the art of bringing our deepest desires to life, of painting our dreams onto the canvas of the universe. It's a tool at our disposal, waiting for us to grasp it, to wield it with purpose and intent. But the key to unlock this potential, according to Goddard, is visualization. It's the act of seeing, of truly envisioning our dreams in vivid detail. It's the bridge that connects our inner world with the outer, the thread that weaves our dreams into the tapestry of reality. So let's harness this wisdom, let's embrace the power of belief, master the art of manifestation, and perfect the craft of visualization. With belief so potent and visualization so clear, embrace the journey. Success is near.
Thank you so much if you watched till the end. Please be sure to smash that like button and subscribe and share. Leave a comment if you will. I'd love to hear what you think.